How to change the wallpaper on your iPhone 8 Plus. Whether you want to use a photo from your gallery or one of Apple's built-in wallpapers, the process is quick and easy. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap Wallpaper. Then select Add New Wallpaper. Here, you can choose from featured wallpapers like collections, astronomy, weather, color, emoji, pride. You can also tap Photos to select a picture from your photo library. Once you've chosen your wallpaper, tap Add in the top right corner of the screen. If you'd like to use the same wallpaper for both your lock screen and home screen, simply tap Set as Wallpaper Pair. If you want a different home screen wallpaper, tap Customize Home Screen instead. From here, you can choose color, gradient, or select another photo from your library. You can also enable the blur option to give your home screen a cleaner look while keeping your app icons easy to see. Once you're happy with your selection, tap Done on the top right corner and your new wallpaper will be applied. That's it. Your new wallpaper will be applied immediately. You can repeat these steps anytime to personalize your iPhone with different wallpapers, photos, or backgrounds. I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.